Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video. So guys, I love eBay. You guys know that. And I just found a random lot again. Like it's not a specific seller. It's just random lots that I look back to see if these people have anything else related to beads, and they never do. The funny thing about this one is I saw a picture and I thought there were way more beads in the picture than there really were. And I bid on it and I was the highest winner. I was like, okay, well, this is a life lesson. Just make sure you're looking at the right pictures. So I wasn't excited to get the box, but then today I got the box and super heavy. And then I opened it up and it had way more beads in it than I thought it would. So half of it was seed beads and half of it was gemstones. And you guys know I don't really use seed beads, but it was worth it. So let me take you through what I got. We've got these, and I don't know what these are called. 10-0 check glass seed beads, amethyst, RB. RB must be like the finish. So, but these are so gorgeous. Sorry about the glare. I would open them, but I mean, you guys can kind of see that. And I don't want them to get everywhere because I don't have a project for them yet. This one is Ruby Rainbow. So it's red with like an Aurora Borealis finish. Green luster mix, so it's a mix of different colors of green. Let's see. We have dark smoke topaz. Love that one. That one's going to be a good spacer bead. Ruby luster mix. I wonder what JAS stands for. I've seen this before. Where have I seen this before? Joann's, maybe. I don't know. Sorry, I got carried away. Amethyst copper. Copper lined is what LND means. There were a bunch of these mixes in there. You know what? That's where these are probably from. Joann's. They must have been on a. They must have gotten a huge buyout or something, but they passed the savings on to me, which was awesome. So desert sand mix, and if nothing else, these are going to be great spacer mixes for necklaces. Julie pointed that out to me today when we looked through the box. She's like, there's great spacers in here. I was like, yeah, you're right. Brown amber pearl, very cool. Gold trinkets mix. And honestly, these are probably not things I would have bought in the store, but now that I have them, they're going to be used. They're going to be put to good use. I might destash some of these because there are several duplicates. So another brown pearl, so 3 of those so far. We have a jungle vine mix. This is cool. I like those square spacers in there. And then, oh, there's like a miracle bead in there, some green. Oh, okay, there's some green in there too. Sorry, I'm not pouring these out. It's just, I know that they'll get everywhere and it'll be annoying to all of us. Another jungle mix, so a couple of those. Another brown amber pearl mix. Another gold trinkets mix. Another desert sand mix. Another gold trinkets mix, so I have 3 of those. And I think that's it for those. If not, I'll come back to them. Ooh, this is really pretty. This red, it's just ruby, silver lined. This is stunning. This blue is stunning. And I'm just so excited that they're not open. Aqua luster mix. These are beautiful. And for any of you who have followed my channel, I don't do bead weaving or anything. So Julie is trying to bring me the dark side. So we'll see. she's got me on the hook. Opalite precious chips. So there are several different sizes and shapes of opalite in here. Oh, these are fantastic. Topaz AB. Those are yummy. Light blue, silver lined. That's what the SL means right there. Such a pretty color. These blues are killing me. And the topazes are killing me. Topaz silver lined mix. So there's a couple different shades. And at this point, when we were going through all the seed beads, I was like, okay, I felt really good about the haul. And then we haven't even seen the gemstones yet. So Kelly Green, silver lined. I love this color. You guys know I love this mix. Miami Surf. So beautiful. Purple Iris. Lovely. Just a few more of those, and then we'll move on to the gemstones. Another topaz silver lined mix. This one's beautiful. Emerald silver lined, although it's more teal. I would think emerald, I guess, I don't know. I think emerald be a little bit more green than that. A topaz luster mix. So this isn't silver lined, it's just the glass. And then the last one I'm seeing right now is this beautiful sapphire luster mix. Loving that. Okay, so let's see. I didn't even count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 19 of these, which I think I actually got my money's worth just from seed beads. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 11 of these mixes. So that's 30 different containers of beads just right there. And then I'm gonna show you an amazing amount of gemstones. I don't know how I lucked into this one. So, all right. So the first ones that I just really loved, I thought they were so fun, were these like trapezoid shapes. And Julie goes, oh, they're coffins. I was like, oh, okay. They are coffins. But I think they're cool looking coffins. They're so awesome. And I can't remember what the name of this gemstone is at the moment, but I thought they were so fun. They're fun to feel. Like they have kind of not like a chalky texture, but like a really soft, it's just a soft texture. So, but they're really cool. But I was looking at them in this way and I didn't see the coffin shape. I think she said casket. And I was like, oh, okay. But I really like them. I really like them no matter what shape they are. I know I got 2 of these. I'm not gonna show you guys the duplicates just because it'll take forever. I got 2 of these. They're moss agate slices. So beautiful. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with them. They're just gonna go in the gemstone hoard. We've got Cambaba Jasper. You know what? I think Julie asked me if one of them was the Cambaba. I'll have to ask her, but it wasn't these. These are so beautiful. I've never heard of that before today. And I just love them. They're these beautiful lentil coins. Oh, sorry, missed out. So we have 20 of these because I missed this one in the beginning. This one is topaz silver lined. I got a couple of these lava ovals, black lava ovals. And guys, I after I go through these again, and the rest of my beads, I will be probably destashing some of these because there's no way I'm going to use all of this stuff at any point in my life. There were 2 of these. They're beautiful fluorite, 10 millimeter. It says amethyst fluorite squares, but I think it's just fluorite. They're so gorgeous. I don't have anything like that. A large red line jasper. This is about 15 inches, I think. Red line jasper rectangles. Still haven't really started liking red line jasper, no matter how much my friends try to get me to go with it. I have a few of these. Some green agate. They're not my favorite, and I explained this in a bargain bead box unboxing or bead box bargains unboxing. I like agates that are like super colorful. The ones that are only like a little bit colorful like this aren't my favorite, but I know there are people out there who love them, so I might destash some of those. That's why I'm not a huge agate fan, although I do love some of it. Okay, amber tiger skin flat squares. These are so awesome. I don't think I've ever heard of that. I've never seen anything that looks like these, and I think these are the only ones in the box. So yeah, those are really pretty. Here's some more agates in that green color, but these are ovals. There are a few of these, and for some reason they must have been more expensive. There are only 2 on each bead strand, but I've got 3 or 4 of these in there somewhere. Semi-precious 30 by 13 millimeter amber fire agate ovals. I think they're pretty cool. I thought these were really neat. They're nuggets, fancy jasper slices, but they're the shape is what's really awesome on these. And the colors are so different. Like these are greens and browns, and these are reds and gray, and this is kind of all 4 colors. So neat. There were a couple of these in here, maybe 3. I can't find all 3 of them right now, but they're semi-precious black banded onyx squares. So neat. I just love those. Look at that detail. Like, hello. Can you believe Mother Nature makes things like that? Flat rectangles. These are, oh, she was right. Dang it, I'm going to have to text her. The Kimbaba Jasper. Julie, you were right. That is so funny. Oops, I'm so sorry, guys. You know I move the camera a billion times every video. Some amethyst coins, and then some spacers. It's pretty awesome that came with spacers. I've got a couple of these. Maybe 3 of them. Yep, looks like there's at least 3. These are amber red jasper. Love them. You know, guys, I've been saying for the last few videos, red's growing on me. At least bead-wise. I don't think I'll go out and buy a red shirt, but bead-wise, it's growing on me. There are several different shapes of tiger eye. So we have these cylinders, some nugs, some nuggets, and then some square coins, so puffy squares. So those are awesome. I don't know if there was only one of these. Black edge agate. I don't think I have anything called black edge agate. And I'm sorry about the glare. I know a couple of people have asked if there's any way to stop that, but not yet. I'm working on it. But, you know, I just really like this new lighting because you can see things when I couldn't see anything in my other videos. So it's a small price to pay to see a couple circles. Anywho, but I swear I am working towards it being less glaring. I just got to figure it out. Let's see. These were really pretty, and I've never heard of this before. Raspberry jade. I think they're making that up, but I think it's so pretty, and they're nice, really nice briolets. So pretty. If this says Kimbaba on it, no, it doesn't. It's green lace stone. Gray Botswana agate. These are really pretty. And we got these in a bargain bead box one month, and these are really just really gorgeous. Love those bands in there. These are some ceramic beads that are just really chunky. I love them, and they've got some crystals in the middle. So as spacers, but I just love that mustard with the black and the white. Looks good. Unfortunately, it's Pittsburgh Steeler colors, and we know I don't like them, but it is what it is. And which one's this? Some banded onyx. I just love banded onyx. It looks so yummy. Looks like chocolate and cream together in that one. Oh, this one is Kambaba Jasper, but I think I already have another one of that one. And what is this one? Ocean, Amber Ocean Jasper. A lot of jasper and agate in this box. Onyx Ovals. Very short strand of, it says hydrothermal citrine rounds, 12 millimeter. My favorite, it's my birthstone. Topaz, citrine, those are my favorite. Some more amethyst. I'm not gonna show you because we already saw that. Some black. Oh, what is this? Oh, it doesn't say. Oh, it's a jasper strand maybe. Just black. Very nice. Good spacers for bigger, more focal beads. I think, oh no, these are really pretty. They're definitely man-made. They're pink Taiwan turquoise ovals. So they look like, you know, like, I don't know if the word's composite, like they just mix a bunch of stones together and then resin them together like to look like stone, crushed up stone, but it's really pretty. I like the pink. It's like a orangey pink, like a coral color. Oh, and then we had some banded, I don't know if I already showed you these, but I don't think I did. If I did, I'm sorry. Some more banded onyx. And then I think the only other ones that I haven't showed you yet that aren't repeats are these. And I don't know what they are. And they're gorgeous. They look kind of like granite, but I don't think they are. They're so pretty. They're like a peachy pink. So let me count how many strands came in this box and I'll be right back. Okay, so they're not all in the picture because this is a very small camera window right here, but there were 59 little strands, and yes, that included these like half strands and some that only had 2 beads, but I think that was pretty amazing. So I got 59 of those, 20 of these, and how many did I say? 11 bead mixes. So that's crazy. 90 different things for not a lot of money. So check, guys, what I can say is just search if you need stash busters, not stash busters, but stash builders, I should say. Check eBay, check for deals. It's not too hard to do. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Tell me which one was your favorite and maybe what you would do with some of these things. And then join my bead group. The sale will be coming. I've got a lot of organizing to do, but I might start a sale because soon. So check out Brittany's Beads. I'll leave the link below, and stay tuned for Goldie so she can show you how cute she is. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye. Hi. Hi, cutie. Hi. How you doing? Oh, he's a good girl. He's a good girl. Oh, the baby. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi, chicken. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Oh, cute.